How to sell your crypto on Binance. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to launch your Binance application and make sure you're fully verified. So you have to submit an ID and enter some personal information here. So the very first thing is you have to head over to your wallet. This is the Binance interface. You have to go to wallet and see what are the tokens that you can sell and what are the tokens that you can keep. Now head over to Spot to see your funding and your crypto here. So what you're going to do here on Spot is that you have to scroll down and see what is the crypto that you want to sell. So here you can see your balance and the status of each crypto right here. So next is once you have decided what you're going to sell, you have to look for the P2P trading. So head back to overview and look for P2P trading. Now, the reason why you need to be here is that so you should know the cryptocurrency assets that can be sold. You can also see here verified merchants. So you just have to choose one later. And then here you will see cryptocurrencies that don't have any issues once you use them. Now you can sell it right here. But in case you're looking for higher rates or your cryptocurrency cannot be sold into BNB, then you need to convert that. Go over to overview, go to services, and look for convert. Okay, so convert is under trade. Okay, and then what you're going to do here is to simply convert your cryptocurrency to whatever it is that can be sold. Okay, so you could just simply select any of the cryptocurrency here. So, for example, BNB, input your available BNB here, and then convert. Convert it to BTC or whatever is available here. Now, for the tokens that cannot be converted, so what you're going to do here is you just have to simply go to spot trading option. So where can we find it? You just have to simply go to markets, and then here you have to search or go to the search bar and then kindly type for BNB USDT. So tap this one. And then what you're going to do next is you have to look for the market. Okay, go to margins, and then you will see their option limit. You have to tap this arrow facing down beside this limit and then select for market. Now, all you have to do is to enter the amount of the BNB here, and then you will see an option that says sell. So all you have to do is to sell that. So for example, this one, then what you're going to do is to tap sell BNB. Then after that, once everything is successful, you have to go to funds and you will see here you have an available USDT fund. So the next thing to do is to go back to overview to P trading. So once you have your available funds in USDT, then you have to tap sell. Look for the available merchants here. Of course, like what I've mentioned earlier, you have to make sure that these merchants are verified so that you can sell your cryptocurrency. So I really hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.